Good day, sir. Please, are you the owner of this shop?
Yes, any problem?
No problem, sir. I saw your notice. Sir, I am interested.
Let me open my shop. Do you have any experience?
Sir, I can't lie to you. I don't have any experience. But sir, I'm a very intelligent person. Just one day, give me one day. I will know the prices of everything in this shop and I'll master the business. Just one day. Like I said before, I am a very intelligent person. I dropped out of the university because of the lack of funds. My uncle that was sponsoring me died. And instead of me to be staying idle or join people that do runs, I decided to look for work. Sir, please. Please, sir.
How am I sure that if I employ you and I leave my shop for you, you won't run away with my money?
No. Sir, I am not a thief. Sir, I will never run away with your money. Sir, I am not a thief. Sir, any day I think, in fact, sir, I swear with my life, I swear with my late uncle's body, any day I think of such a thing, sir, let me not see the breaking of the next day. Sir, I am not a thief. I repeat it, I am not a thief. I've never stolen in my life, sir.
Okay.
I am not
okay.
a thief. I've never stolen in my life, sir, before, but I'm not a thief, sir, please.
How much are you expecting as salary?
Sir, I would prefer we start working first. If you see my performance, then you can pay me anything you like. Then, as the months go by, if my performance is okay, you can increase my salary, sir.
Chiki, is it not you I'm calling? What are you thinking about? Eh? You have high blood pressure.
Guy, this life no balance. Just no balance. No balance.
Oh, you don't know say life no balance before. Life no balance now. So what is it?
It's that girl now. That girl I brought the last time.
Which girl? The fair girl that I gave you money to give for her transport.
Yeah, nah.
What happened?
This that girl is just doing anyhow. She's doing me anyhow. Anyhow.
Doing you anyhow? Chike, that reminds me. Do you know you've not given me that money I gave to you for that girl? And even the other one I gave to you the other time. You've not given me that money.
I know now, but I'll give you the money now. I'll pay you.
When?
Guy, calm down. I'll pay you, please.
What do you mean I should calm down?
Guy, calm down.
What do you mean I should calm down, Chike?
Which one is this one?
No. What's this one? What do you mean like that?
What's this one?
You're shouting at me.
Wait, be this one now.
My own money.
Guy, leave me. Wait, be this one now. I leave
You can imagine, oh. See, Chike, I'm taking you to the police. You must pay me that money today.
What's this one now? Guy, free me now.
You must pay me that money.
What's with this now?
Just come and see you.
What's with this now?
I'm telling you.
Which kind of
What do you
embarrassment is
mean?
this one
What
now?
kind of embarrassment? You're owing me money side, you don't want to pay
What's
me.
this nonsense now?
Pay me my money now. You're telling me to come down.
Ah.
Can you imagine?
What's this one now?
Can you imagine this guy?
What's with this one now?
Can you imagine? Oh. This guy has been owing me since. The money I gave to him because the other day one came here, I gave him 1,000 naira. Pay me back again, he will not pay me. Telling me come down. See, I'm telling you that the police station.
Free me now. Which kind of nonsense with this one? We don't pass this level now. Free me. I say I'll pay you back now.
Tell him my money. Tell him my money.
Tell him to leave me now.
Huh? Give my money. I'm not joking again. Give my money.
Tell him to leave me first.
Leave him alone.
I should leave him.
Leave him alone first. Leave him. Eh? Happy. Leave him alone. Just
leave me.
Just give him another chance.
If you do all this, you are doing. Take it. Mind yourself, oh.
Chike,
When you just dey give everybody BP for this compound. Now by force to dey city. If you know say city no favor you, why you not pack your load? That one, if you get any load, pack your useless things and go back to your village, go meet your ancestors. Because they clear say they swear for you.
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 Nonsense.
You
must pay me that money today.
I
beg you. Come on here. You get shame. You get shame.
Every time now let you back, they go to look for trouble for that. Now let it come back. No need,
Come carry your hair when they run away from your body. They talk nonsense. Carry this your army tank and come up for years.
Now so they say army tanker.
Carry army tank.
Yes, good day.
Please, I need detergents, the one of 150.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who's there? Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where is my friend? Is he not around?
No. I've not seen him since morning, sir.
And his phone is not going too. I've been calling. It's okay. If he comes back, tell him and check to him.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, don't be angry. I want to discuss something with you. Don't be angry.
Okay,
please.
it's okay. What is it?
Sir, you see, the first time I came to this shop, I saw both of you.
Right.
This is my 3rd week here.
Okay.
From all I have gathered, you are best of friends. Yes, he's your best friend. You people do things.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to help me talk to him.
About what?
His attitude towards his business. Sir, he doesn't take his business serious. All he does is follow one yellow girl that does not love him. Ona the girl just like that. The girl does not love him. He follows her around, neglecting his business. It is not good.
So what exactly do you want me to do?
Sir, I want you to talk to him. Let him take his business serious. Yes, let him concentrate, build his business and make money. And you see girls, different shapes and sizes and heights will be flocking around him. You gotta go. Hey, go come on, watch her, nothing else.
It's okay. That's a good idea. I've heard you. I'll do that, eh?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hey, one more thing, sir. Don't be angry.
Go on, I'm listening.
Okay. Sir, looking at you, everything. You are a rich man. You are richer than my Oga. Sir, what are friends for? Help his life. Upgrade him. If you give him 1 or 2 million naira now, his life will change. He will rent a new store. Stock it with goods. Sir, please help him.
Okay.
Help him.
Now, let me tell you something. Do you know how many times I've given Yoga money to support his business? But he keeps squandering the money. Coming back to me to beg for another money. He thinks I pick money on the street. You know what? I will not do that till I see changes in him. Hmm? Well, thank you for your concern.
Thank you, sir.
Tell him I checked.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah. Man when I get money, he dey see shit oh. He dey see shit oh. Man when I get money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. Man when I get money, he dey see shit oh. He dey see shit oh. Man when I get money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. And then search from left and right. Nothing what you do go fits him right. People gonna avoid you.
My friend, where are you? I thought you said you're outside my gate. Where are you? You must be mad. Very mad. How dare you make me come outside when you're not here? Are you mad? Idiot. Go punish you there.
Yeah, the see shit, oh man, when I get the money, he the see shake it, he the see shake it. If you no get money, he the see shit,
Hello. Hi. God. Like, are you seriously that jobless that you go about following a woman around?
I mean, it's just that I can't get you on the phone anymore. And you blocked me, you know? So
that is to show you that I don't want you around me. Can you stop following me? We're not the same class.
No, don't say this. Don't say this at all, please. Please. Don't say this.
Chike, listen, I don't want to be rude, but can you please stop following me?
Please. Look, I have promised now. Please. See, lovers were once strangers. That's one thing you have to understand. Please.
Madam, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself, idiot. Go punish you. Listen, what exactly do you want from me?
What I'm trying to say, let's continue communicating. I want to go steady with you. Look, seriously, just unblock me first of all, please.
I should unblock you?
Yes, I mean you're in my head. I've tried to get you out. It's impossible. I mean, can you imagine? I've been sitting down there waiting for you since 6:30 a.m. Please.
That's your personal choice. Listen, the next time you stop me on the road, you won't like the end of it.
Please.
Let this be the last
Linda,
one.
Look, I have promised. Linda, listen now.
My friend, start that car.
Linda, listen. It's not this way now. Linda, wait now. Linda, at least stop stand up. Stop
Just your friend, James.
No one else?
No, sir.
So, how has sales been?
Impressive, sir. Impressive. Sir, you look stressed. You must be hungry. Can I get you food from that our usual spot?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry. I've not had anything.
Ọ na-apụ ọkụ, onye ka ọ na-aga lee. Ọ na-apụ ọkụ, fire.
Adam, my customer.
I hope your food is very sweet.
He say, taste and see that the Lord is good. If you taste this food, you will never eat any other place again. And me, they tell you, try them now.
Let me try.
What do you want? Enwe m akwara anu, enwe m okwu efi, enwe m isi efi, enwe m okpa efi. Onwere nke nne nwere, nke chọrọ achọ.
I want 2 plates. On this one, you put rice, 200 naira rice, 100 naira plantain, then 2 meats. Then another plate, put that one and take away. Rice and 1 meat.
Sorry. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Madam, if you chop this food, you don't go eat any other place. I need to tell you. Whoa.
But this is 500 naira. Why is there
Ours is 550 naira.
But can I pay 500 naira?
No, it's 550 naira.
Okay,
I'll bring 15 naira tomorrow when I'm coming. This is 500 naira.
My dear, we don't sell on credit here. Oh? Sir? Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir, sorry I served you without water. I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Get the 500 naira from her. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're
I'm
okay,
fine.
Sir?
Get the 500 naira from her.
Okay.
It's okay.
Bros, thank you.
Sir, are you sure you're okay
I'm
now?
fine. See, sometimes try and be flexible when you're being priced. Try and be flexible. Don't be too rigid. It's okay. Nice work.
Thank you, sir.
And then she asked me what do I want from her. I said I want us to go steady, be my girlfriend. Let's start from somewhere we can build together. And then, you know what else she told me?
What?
She said, I want to infect her with poverty, that lightness and darkness do not mix together. Can you imagine?
Should I tell you something?
What do you want to tell me? What?
Okay, let me ask you something. When are you planning to give up on that girl?
No, I'm not giving up on her. No way. No way. I'll give up on her when she gets married in a church and to a man that is me. Yes.
But she doesn't want you.
Who told you so? Who told you? Don't say what you don't know. Listen, some women are like that. They just want to know how far I can go for them. You understand? She wants to know how far my love can go for her. That's the truth. That's the gospel truth. I'm telling you, my brother. That's it. I'm not giving up on that girl. No way. She will give in. Trust me. I'm sure of it.
You're not sure?
I am sure. Look, I asked her this question. I said, am I not good looking? Am I not confident? Don't I speak well? Am I not presentable? The only thing I lack is money. That's what she said. And I told her, yes, money will come. So relax. Trust me, I'm not giving up on that girl. No way.
Let me tell you something. I want you to listen to me as your friend. Take my candid advice. Leave that girl alone and focus on how to build your business.
Is that the only rubbish? Is that the rubbish you can say?
That girl is a distraction to you, you know?
Is that the only rubbish you have to say?
Anyway, I suggest you leave her.
And I suggest you don't advise me like that.
Just let that girl.
I've made my own points too. You can't tell me to leave that girl. It's impossible. I told you, it's impossible.
My customer. Hey.
Customer. Everything you said about this your food yesterday was true.
I told you now.
The food is delicious.
Thank you. I told you it's chop today, chop tomorrow. Will I come and be lying because of food? How you doing now? How is business?
Business is there. I've not made any sales today.
Yeah, but it does not stop you from eating. Woman must work now.
Eating, mejizi pepper gogo. There's no more, unless you come back in the evening and collect your money.
It is not a problem. Are you not my steady customer? I will give you food now, not be you again. Akwala ano dia, ulu ano dia, rancha, get on.
1 minute.
Just, my customer. Hey, on a pop. How many meats do you want? I have plenty meat. Good meat for you.
1 meat.
One?
Just one.
My customer.
Boy, that your girl no bad oh. She's something else.
My sales girl. That girl is more than a sales girl. I'm telling you. That girl impresses me by the day. I'm telling you this. Wow. See, do you know that it took her only 1 day to master the cost of everything in that shop?
1 day?
1 day. If you ask me, my brother, go for that girl. I'm telling you. Yes. That girl is better than every girl I know you have dated. Seriously. I mean, if you hear this girl pray, you think angels are around you. I'm not joking. No. She's God-fearing. What else do you need now? What else do you need from any other woman?
Do you know one funny thing? She said I should help her tell you that you should leave Linda alone and concentrate on your business and make money first, then later women will come.
She said that?
And she also said I should help you with some financial aid.
She said that. Okay now, so when are you giving me the financial aid now? Yeah, she has said it now. Guy, you're my guy. Let's face facts now. Yes, I know I haven't paid you. I don't. Look, when are you giving me the financial aid?
Come on, carry me. No, come on, carry me now. Financial aid.
It's not fair, oh.
I beg.
It's not fair, oh.
Yeah, I beg. Go bring beer for me from your shop. Make her a drink. Financial aid.
Guy, give me financial aid, oh. Hey, okay, oh.
Did they bring the beer?
Financial aid, oh.
If I hear, maybe only financial aid.
Okay.
My customer. Customer, oh. I don't go back here. Don't land. I don't land, oh. How you dey?
I'm fine. But I never sell anything. Your money never did.
You never sell anything. Wetin be my business? You never sell. My money I won't collect now. Nothing again.
Now, wetin I dey try tell you. Since that time where you come out, I never sell even one pin for this shop.
That won't be my business now. My money I can't collect. I won't go buy wetin I go take cook tomorrow. This is what they tell me. Wetin concern me.
You like say you know they understand me well. I never said money. See what will happen? Just go. Come back tomorrow. Make I give you your money. I beg.
Make I go. Come back tomorrow. Use my poo poo. Buy wetin I go take cook tomorrow. I be like say you dey mad. Give me my money. Make I come up for here now. This I go change it for you. Wetin happen now?
Never reach like that.
You don't pass like that. You don't pass. Give me my money. You're wasting my time. Make I come up for here. Even you don't they come now. I go market. Wetin be your problem?
I beg. Just come back tomorrow.
Wetin be that one now? Wetin be that one? I beg give me money before I go carry everything. If I here go say go use the money, do wetin I want. Do wetin be your problem?
Carry everything for where? Say you dey mad, abi you dey craze. See me. Don't use this shop. Joke with me. Carry everything. You dey mad. Wait oh. Carry
one borrow for me for my own money. Come on for here. Come give me my money. Come give me my money. Wetin be your problem? What wetin they do you? Wetin be your problem?
I go beat you.
Beat me on top of my money.
I know why I dey leave you.
Yeah, this girl you dey craze so.
I get single bone. I go beat you.
If you get single bone, tell me make I see you.
Then leave me. Come.
You pushed me. I pushed you. Oga, if you know this idiot, now have to give me my money. I saw food for this girl. You don't think they waiting me that one.
Now. You are the bigger fool. You are the bigger idiot. In fact, you are. Okay, look at this fool, oh. This idiot, oh. You carry him food, come here. I tell him say money no dey to pay him. Say make him dey go. He come dey beg me, oh. Tell me say make I buy the food. I know say him food sweet. Make I buy him. Anytime why I get money, this is where you talk. Wait, make I pay him. Yeah? Now he come back here and tell him say I never still sell anything. Make him dey go. He dey here. They
how we dey concern me say you never sell? I beg give me my money. Make I come up for here.
It's okay. I said it's okay.
My money I want, Oga.
Look at this one, oh.
I said it's okay. How much is she owing you?
300 naira. And be the money where she dey make noise for.
Sorry, sir.
Do you have to?
I have. Thank you, sir. God don't save you today.
Now you can't save.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Anything come up for here. Tomorrow now chop credit again.
I go push out that.
Chop credit again tomorrow.
Sorry, sir. You better say my
Hey! Go inside. I said go inside.
Sorry, sir. No, she begged me.
I said go inside.
She begged me.
Go inside, my friend.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, look. Sorry, sir.
Can you tell me why you bought food on credit today?
Sir, don't mind that stupid
And when talking to me, bring down your voice.
Yes, sir. But that girl is very stupid.
Are you stupid?
Sorry, sir. Remember the food I bought for you the other time? The one you say was very delicious.
Yes.
I bought it from her. Today she came. I told her that I don't have money to pay her, that I have not made any sales. She said she begged me. Oh, in fact, she was the one that lured me. She said I should buy the food. What her customers for? That she will come back and collect her money. I said okay. Give me the food in the evening. Come back. Let me give you your money.
Okay.
She came back almost immediately. This is still afternoon. It's not even up to 1 hour. I told her that I have not made any sales. That she should go and come back tomorrow. She started insulting herself and not me. That girl is very foolish. She's very, very stupid. Idiot. Sorry, sir.
You mean you've not sold anything today?
Not even 1 naira, sir. Pin. I've not sold even pin from this shop since morning.
Are you serious? Now, wow.
But that not be small wow.
Anyways, on no account should you buy anything on credit. Do you understand me? On no account should you buy anything on credit again.
Now you don't need to tell me. I've learnt my lessons. Because if you had not come when you came, I would have beaten that girl to death.
And you'd have gone to prison. Yes, and you'd have gone to prison. And you know what? There will be no money to bail you out of prison. Because everything here sold will not get you out of prison. My friend, go out there and lure customers for me.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
And smile, smile, smile.
Yes, sir.
What is it? What is the meaning of that?
Madam, people have to find another car. This car cannot move again.
Meaning?
We should find another what?
Meaning, Kwaku?
Talk to us. What exactly is the problem? We need to know.
Madam, if I tell you, you won't understand. You're not a mechanic. You're not a driver. The only thing is that I have to call another mechanic to come and fix this car.
Eh? Hey!
Why are you cursed like this? Eh? Who is doing this to you? I want to ask you, all the money that I've been paying you, because I know I'm one of your customers that pays you very well.
Exactly.
What have you been using it for? Eh? What have you been using it for? You've not been using it to service your car.
Linda.
Or you've been giving it to all these guests you carry, right?
Linda.
Eh? This boy is cursed. On a serious note, his village people are sitting on his head and doing meeting and he doesn't know it.
Linda,
foolish
please.
boy.
Linda, please.
Whenever someone has something important to do, that is when this boy and his useless car will be spoiling show for someone.
Stop this now.
Let
this guy be. He's not our problem right now. Let's just find a way and leave this place. We are late. What?
Very foolish boy. Better I'll find who is doing with this thing because Maraka is not ordinary. Foolish boy.
This is unfair. This is unfair.
I
I tell you, it's not fair.
Do you even have any money on you?
For where? Money? There's no money on me. Oh.
What about your ATM card?
My ATM card. You see that account? There is no shishi.
Hey!
Shishi is not in that account.
He choke be that.
What about you?
He really choke.
You don't have money too?
Which money? Have you forgotten I paid those organic cream people yesterday? Plus the shopping we did. I'm even hoping to refill my account from the money we get from where we are going to. Eh? Listen, you know I hate staying broke. Like I hate it with my life. As I'm talking to you now, I can't even breathe well. Like he really choke. He's choking me.
Same here. I hate to go broke. And it doesn't fit me. What kind of thing is this?
Wait, don't you have any cabman you can call to come and bring us and then take us back from the thanks for coming? We'll pay him off.
You know now, that's my phone that got spoiled. I lost so many contacts, as in so many numbers. This is temptation, oh. And I don't know where this temptation is coming from.
All this bad luck is coming from this guy. See, this witch with his head like sponge. Idiots. See, my God, I don't even have up to 1,000 naira in my account. As in the way it is, if I put my ATM card, that ATM machine will swallow it.
And the money is waiting for us out there. Listen, we must find a way and get to that place. I can't afford to be late, let alone not even appearing at all.
And we have to get there in an AC cab.
Of course.
No, I can't afford to fall my hand like that.
For where?
So what do we do now?
I don't know.
We have to move. Chike it is. Chike's shop is around here. Let me call you. Please call that foolish boy.
But you blocked him now.
My sister, you need help right now because you are stranded. So anything goes.
She has unblocked me. She has unblocked me. Yes. Baby.
Hi, Chike. My baby. How are you?
I think I'm okay now. I don't know what happened to your phone now. I was calling you.
Listen, where are you? I want to see you.
I'm in my shop.
Oh, in your shop. Just wait for me. I'm coming straight away to see your cute face again.
You're coming? Okay. Oh, I'm waiting for you, baby. Huh? Come quick, Come. All right. Okay. All right, baby. I told you she was going to call me. I told you now. I know my girl.
Linda. Hey, are you still here? If you are here, your father.
Scared of you.
Ooh. Hey.
Yeah, daddy.
I know my girl. I know. Yeah, James. She called me now. Yes. She says she's on her way here. Yes. Everything's going fine. She's coming. Yes, my guy.
Hello, my
Hey, my baby. Oh no. You tell me that I said
Yeah, what's
1,000. 1,000. You bring money. 1,000. Don't waste. Hold this thing. She's my sales girl.
Yes, yes, we keep trying. Yes. Help.
I'll be right back.
I know. Please be quick.
Take baby girl. Pay him off. Why not he wait and take us to the event?
Baby, be fast, eh? Be fast.
I'm sorry. Can we continue?
What?
The calculation.
Wait, you want to enter our conversation? My friend, will you leave here?
Sorry, sir.
Wait for what? We can't go there with this kind of car. We need a better car, so pay him off. Let me get more money. I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you.
Baby!
Baby,
No.
Baby, sit down. Baby, sit down now, sit down.
No. I'm rushing off to somewhere.
Ah.
I would need you to give me like 10,000.
You say?
Just 10,000. I will explain when I get back. It's urgent.
10,000.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Amala.
Sir?
You've not gone to the bank, eh? Yes. So bring. I need 10,000. My baby needs 10,000. What's it so fast now? Fast. I say stop wasting our time. We need 10,000. I keep telling you. What's there to count 10,000? 10,000. 4, 5,
She will learn.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Aww.
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
So, say you're going where?
When I'm back, rushing us somewhere. When I'm back, I'm coming straight to you.
You're coming straight to me?
Yeah.
How long will you be out?
I'll be very soon. I just need some time. I'll be back.
Please open your phone, eh?
Of course.
My baby.
Of course.
My baby. My baby. My baby. Oh. Come back here now. Let's.
Alpha, any hope? You may go. 10K. Life and direct.
What? 10K? Let's pick a cab from here then.
No. I don't want us to get a cab. Let's get down there. Get a cab.
Okay. Let's go.
So we are playing the same game. You're looking for someone to love you. I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game. The game of disguise.
Linda, is the party not starting yet? I thought they said 1 p.m. And look at the time.
Talking like that, you don't know the politicians and their ways. African time and politicians are like 5 and 6. The most important thing is that we're already in. So if they like, let them start it by 12 p.m. We are here. We know they go anywhere. No leave, no transfer. We die here.
Okay, Abby. 12 a.m.
12 a.m.
You are here on radio. What to do now?
Oh boy. When you are done calling, you stop.
Who is that?
Is it not that foolish chicken?
That's a nice guy.
I can see this boy doesn't want to rest. Maybe he wants me to block him. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. This time around, forever.
Linda, are you sure you know what you're doing?
Hey, it's funny coconut head. Let's go there. Let me even block him.
Trusted to find true love. Then God send him my way. And I will love you. With everything I've got. With everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dreams. The angel of my life. I'm gonna love you. With everything I've got. With everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dream. Something I'm searching for.
Why is she not picking my calls now? Why?
gonna say the thing they inside my chocolate, and I'm shooting my shot so far away.
Again? What's going on? What's going on? Number I called. Now it's busy. Huh. Hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh. Hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh. Huh. Hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh. Huh. Hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh. Huh.
Boss, should I go to the bank now?
What's it with you and bank? What's it with you and bank? Can't you see I'm trying to solve an issue here? You're telling me bank since morning.
Sorry, sir, but you said I should take the money to the bank.
Is it your money? Is it your money? Is it my money? I'll tell you when to go to the bank. Please leave me alone. I'm solving something here now. Please. Please go now. I'm solving.
I should not. Sorry, sir.
Telling me about bank. When I have an important issue to solve, you're telling me about bank. What bank? Please pick this call. Pick now. Hey.
Can you imagine? I mean, this is unfair. This is unfair. This girl has blocked me again.
She has blocked me again? For what now? Why did she block me again? No, this is hurting me now. Why is this girl? I mean, I'm just all out for this girl.
The girl has finished you. The girl has just duped you, collected all your money to solve her own immediate problem. This is the height of it.
Stop talking like this, please. I'll just drink myself to stupor because I've never been treated like this before. No, now, not me. Not me. This girl shouldn't do this to me.
You need to drink yourselves to stupor because some days are like that anyway. This girl is Liwago brain box.
Stop talking like this, please. Stop talking this way, please.
Bobo.
Please.
Stop
this now. Try and be encouraging. Look, if this girl knows who I am, what is in me, she won't behave like this now.
One messed you up.
Please don't
solve her own.
Look, stop. Are you with me or you're not with me? Why are you talking this way now?
Anyway, let's just drink up and forget your sorry. Barman, get some drinks for us, okay?
Oh yeah. Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get money, he dey see she get. He dey see she get. Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get money, he dey see she get. He dey see she get. And then search from left and right. Nothing what you do go fits him right. People gonna avoid you just because say you no get money. Hey, now who get money get out? Now who get money go fit the show fake? If you no get money, hide your face. Make you hide your face. Man, when no get money, they see she do. Yeah, they see she do. Man, when no get money, they see she get. He they see she get. If you no get money, you go see she do. They go see she do. Man, when no get money, they see she get. He they see she get. Women want the money, they no see your fine face. They no see your fine face. What they want is money. If you no get money, make you hide your face. But now which kind of life be this so? No money, no honey, no money, no life. It's joke. If you no get money, nothing for you. Voila. Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get money, he dey see she get. He dey see she get. If you no get money, he dey see she do. You go see she do. If you no get money, he dey see she get. You go see she get.
Hey, boy. Well, come on, let me take you home. It's late. Yeah? You still want to drink? Come on, come on. I've had enough. Come on. But first, let me take you home. If you call bullshit.
No, I need to get my key in the shop first. Yes.
It's past 12.
Yeah.
Yes. Come on, let's go.
Not too much to drink. I'm fine.
I know you're fine. I was on my mic and I know you're fine.
Yeah. I'm fine.
And helping your life, you're for me. I mean, let's go. What is it? Ogini.
My shop.
What is it now?
My shop is locked. But from inside.
How?
I don't understand.
How?
I don't understand. My shop is locked.
Then someone is in there. Check now, check.
Who is there? Who is there? Amara!
Sir?
Mom! My sales girl is inside my shop. My sales girl. Amara, what are you? Amara, will you come out of there? Come out!
This is funny.
What is this?
Sir,
what are you doing in the shop by this time?
Eh?
I said, what are you doing in the shop by this time?
This is where I sleep every night, sir.
Wait. This is where you sleep?
Don't be angry, sir, please. Don't be angry. This is... I sleep every night. Sir, I don't have a home, sir. So I sleep here instead of wasting the small salary you pay in your house rent, sir. Sir, please don't be angry. I'm sorry, sir, please.
Bring your things, let's go to my house.
You mean I should follow you home, sir?
Will you prefer to stay here this night?
No, sir.
Then get your things. Can you imagine? No, can you just imagine?
Can you handle this?
Look, Amara. I mean, how can?
That now? Who did not look like that? You say be who? Nah, you self, you self, Look at what the time. It's almost 1 a.m. and you're coming back by this time. Some chicken.
It's okay now.
Every time you be coming back by this time. What is the problem? Are you the only fine boy in this area?
They walk you now.
You see the halabi?
Something came up.
Every day something come up. If something come up, you sleep in that place. Must you come back by this time?
Okay now. Let's go inside.
It's okay. Never be, you never pay. Light bill, you never pay. Hospital bill yourself come up, you no go pay. Every time you go to carry woman, they come back here. Something come up.
Now guy, mind your mouth.
What thing go happen? Thing go happen. the top person when they sleep, every time you come back here, say something happen. No try again, I no open door for you.
So now you dey disturb everybody for this compound. Make I even ask you, where you dey come from by this kind of time? You dey fly?
You self, I know say you dey fly because you don't set for meeting, you won't fly. Eh? Which? Wait till you dey do awake by this time.
Now you be wizard. You dey come dey knock gate anyhow like say na your papa build this house.
Na your papa build am?
Disturb everybody up and down. They say make you pay nepa bill now you no fit. Pay for shit where they shit you no fit. Nonsense. Only to dey carry woman up and down now you sabi.
Now this nonsense make 3 men marry you, knock your engine, finish, leave you with 3 children before them come out here.
He concern you. He concern you. He concern you. You know say as you be, you no fit pay for anything. Come on, house where they say you no fit pay. Flash it, you no fit pay. Rubbish. I beg, who they talk? Who they talk? Who they talk? Only to dey carry different girls they come for this compound. Come pay for that bill, you no fit. Pay for shit where you dey shit, you no fit. No fit pay me the carry stock away idiot.
3 men don't knock this engine.
Come on, shut up.
This engine are condemned.
He dey pay you. He dey pay you. You know say as it be. Nonsense. You dey create for them. Idiot. You no fit pay for anything for this compound. Nonsense. Rubbish.
So tell me, for how long have you been sleeping in that shop?
Immediately I started working with you as your sales girl.
Before then, where were you sleeping?
I was working in a bulletin company. They had staff quarters. I was sleeping in one of the rooms. I was sleeping there till our boss died. His children couldn't continue with the business. They sold the company, sold everything, fired the staff. So I hid my bag with the security man. He was the only one that was retained. So every night I sneak in to sleep in one of the rooms, hoping and praying to get a job as soon as possible. So when I finally got this job, I started sleeping in the shop. And I'm also praying and hoping that very soon I'll gather enough money to pay for at least 1-room apartment.
Okay. So tell me again, where do you take your bath and what toilet do you use?
Well, there's an empty shop behind our shop. I normally go there at night or before dawn to take my bath, and as for toilet, I do throw in short boots.
I don't understand, sir. But what do you mean? What do you mean by throwing short boot?
I use nylon, black nylon. Then I'll fling it or put it inside a waste bin.
So, why didn't you tell me when you came for employment at my place?
You cannot kill yourself for me. You have done enough already. You gave me the job. So I didn't want to bother you with my problems.
You don't pay house rent. What do you go do? What do you go do?
You don't bring tiger and stop compound. What do you go do? Don't bring tiger and stop compound.
oh. I am not respecting my organ. No, I know how to think.
Yeah,
Where did you go to?
What's going on?
What's going on? What did you do? When you take out this compound? I'm going to finish our water. She never fetch my water. She never this compound. I just stay here, they wait for my turn.
Okay.
Now in these bulldozer come here. Begin to talk anyhow. She even push me. Boss, now you are the respect.
It's okay.
I will not strangle her with this thing. I will not strangle her.
It's okay.
Boss.
It's okay. Wait till they worry you now.
What is this now? You dey mad.
You dey mad?
You dey mad.
What is this now?
What you go do? Where can this girl come from? That's my boss again.